I gdje ste ljudi, danas igramo Five Nights at Freddy's 3, pošto nisam skinuo na kompjuteru, imamo na tabletu, pa započet ćemo new game. Nemam baš neki program za snimanje, ajmo da vidimo što kaže. Šta li ovdje piše? Vidimo? Ok, prva noć. Što prvo ovako ti igram?
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time.
Pošto sam se uvežbao, igrao sam stare igrice, ali ovo je sad izašlo, pa ne znam kako je. Šta je ovo ovdje? Znači, reboot. Ok, imamo... Ok.
You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or fakes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to suit you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, "Boo." But, you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline. In trying to make the place feel vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. Yeah, I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spook, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man.
Okay,
Keep that air blowing.
Pošto je prva noć mnogo dosadna, u epizodi ćemo da snimamo i drugu noć. Znam da će ovaj video da traje malo duže 10 minuta jer snimam preko kamere. Joj. Znači ja ovdje ništa skoro i ne moram ni da radim. Sam bio premotao ispicu. O, vidi mi se ruka. 6. Prašli smo. Ovo uopšte nije ni bilo ni teško. Šta je ovo? O, Foxy. O, ruka. What the hell? O, dobre. Mi se igrica pokvarila? A, nije. Ok, druga noć. Ne znam. Nemam pojma ko će prvi da izaći. Samo sam gledao intro i možda bude kako ga zove, Spring Trap. Vidite tu oko. To je Springtrap. Ćemo da ga malo distraktujemo. Da ga vratimo ovdje. Znači, probat ćemo u tu sobu da ga držimo.
A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man.
Ne bi je izgubili.
Hello? Welcome to your new career as a performer / entertainer
još je tu.
for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much needed information on how to handle / climb into / climb out of mascot costumes. Right now we have 2
Sve
specially
dok je
designed
tu,
suits that double as both animatronic
to je
and
super.
suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits. As
Muka
accidents
sad boli,
/
ali
injuries
okej.
/ death /
Ja ovo što
irreparable and grotesque
radimo i
things
druga.
can occur. First, we will discuss how to operate the mascot when they are in animatronic form. For ease of operation,
O, video error. Prvi error koji sam dobio.
This is an easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment /
Prvi
crowd
error
control.
do sad, ljudi.
To change the animatronic to
Prvi.
mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank
What?
provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit.
Dobro, tu je još jedan sat.
Please make
Evo
sure
ti kad će 2
spring locks are
sata.
fastened tight to ensure the animatronic device
Već
will
6
remain
minuta
fixed.
snijem, dobro,
We'll
snimit
cover
ću.
this in more detail in
Ventilation,
tomorrow's
ventilation.
session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Ajde, brže, 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 brže. O ne, sad je prestao da priča. Najbolji. Ljudi, u lošem smo stanju. Već druga noć, a loše stanje. What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ. I saw that fucking cock. That pussy right here. He's right here. And I know it. Two! Fucker! Look, he's gonna jump scare me. Kako sam ga pustio da mi se približi? Ne. Fuck. O, 3 sata, možda imamo. Ljudi, možda pobedimo, a možda ne. 3 sata. Oh, fuck. Možda me uplaši. Ne znam da li notiram. Biće velika šteta. Plašit će me. Tri sata, please, 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 please. No, don't sleep. No, camera. He's gonna jump scare. I'm dead. Znao sam, ljudi. Ljudi, vidjet ćemo se u drugu epizodu kad ću da probam da pređem ovu noć. Ali, hvala što ste gledali. Ćao!